Looking for the best gifts for men in 2025? Whether it's for your dad, husband, boyfriend, or a friend, these 6 gift ideas are practical, stylish, and guaranteed to impress. Let's get started. Number 1. The BIIB 12-in-1 Hammer Multitool for men who love fixing, building, or exploring. This multi-tool packs 12 essential tools into one compact, durable design. Perfect for camping, hiking, or DIY projects. A thoughtful gift that combines functionality with adventure. Number 2. Clinique for Men Starter Kit. This daily oil control set is a practical choice for men who care about skin care. With a face wash, shaving cream, and moisturizer, it's perfect for travel or daily grooming. Simple, effective, and dermatologist approved. Number 3. Master Hot Sauce Collection Sampler Set. Got a spice lover in your life? This set includes 30 mini bottles of unique hot sauces, from mild garlic herb to fiery ghost pepper. A fun, flavorful way to heat up any meal and conversation. Number 4. Aceoce Men's Manicure Set. A stylish grooming kit every man should own. Compact, sleek, and organized. This set includes all essential tools for clean, precise care. Great for travel or daily grooming routines. Number 5. Carhartt Rain Defender Quarter Zip Sweatshirt for men who love comfort and durability. Warm, water-repellent, and built to last. This sweatshirt is ideal for work, outdoor adventures, or simply staying cozy on cold days. Number 6. Stanley Stay Chill Beer Stein. Finally, the classic gift for any man who enjoys a good drink. Built from stainless steel with double wall insulation, it keeps beverages cold for hours. Perfect for outdoor parties, barbecues, or relaxing evenings. So, which one of these gifts would you choose? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gift ideas for men in 2025.